Čau, draugi, šodien spēlēsim Pobby Playtime Jodo 3, labi darām to. Labi, tagad mēs mūs savienosim, lai būtu aktivizēts. Starpcīt, šīs līmenis būs kā, pais, kad tas notiks. Tā, paga. Kāds kustējās? Tā laikam skolotāja. Oh my god, that is delight.
Wait, I recognize you. Yes, I remember. You used to work here. How are you? Alive. Barb? Oh. Barb says you're looking for your co-workers.
Nu jā, protams.
Catnap wouldn't like that you're here.
Man vienalga, ko viņš grib un ko negrib.
For your own safety.
Labi, draugi, re, kur ir pirmā baterija dabūjām. Re, kur, draugi, otrā baterija. Labi, draugi, tagad varam elektrizēt tās durvis un tikt iekšā. Tā ir viņa atkal. Viņa ir visur. Tā, arī te. Viņa ir visur, vienkārši vēro mani.
Not a good listener, are you? You're a lot like the other humans in that way. I wonder if your screams will sound like theirs too.
Viņa tagad apakaļ gājas to istabu, laikam, lai parunātu mani. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, dude. Nē, nu skolotāji, kāpēc man bagā? Tagad es esmu profīgi no Dresden Gaming. Come on, man. Uj. Viņam vajag no viņas draugi. Es zinu, ka jāskatās viņu, bet speedrun vajag. Speedrun! Tu man nenauģersi? O tā! Šis tik ļoti grūts, draugi. Esmu tik ļoti apjūts, ko es daru. Atā!
I'm Hoppy Hopscotch! Wanna try hopping to the moon with me?
Labi, draugi, tagad viņam sarkano roku, kur šauj. Labi, no tik liela tāluma paņemšu to bateriju. Labi, draugi, paskatīsimies to teipu. Protams, es neredzēju visas teipes, bet vienalga.
Stupid clunky elevator.
What was that, Richie?
Nothing. Let's just get this shipment dropped and go. Hello, my name is Elliot Ludwig. Would you look around?
I take it you're not a fan of this place, are you?
Nope, never liked the feel of it. I mean, don't you think these kids deserve some real sunlight instead of floodlights and painted skies? Hell, we're not even allowed to talk to these kids. Isn't that... Sorry, Stu.
Sorry? That doesn't sound like the Rich I know.
Well, trying to stop being so pissed off all the time. My wife says I'm a lovely man, but gotta control my temper. So, doing it for her.
You're just different, Rich. Honest to a fault. But I always liked that about you.
Yeah? Well, you're one of the few.
You know, Richie, with my retirement coming up, they've been pushing hard for me to choose my replacement. I'm actually thinking about giving the role to you.
Really?
Yeah, really. Nothing official yet, but I think there's a decent guy beneath all that crap. An honest, hard-working man. You're right? I'd say your chances are pretty good.
Wow, geez, I don't know what to say. I'm just glad to see not everyone in this place has it out for me.
Not everybody, Rich. Not everybody.
Labi, draugi, turpinām. Tagad vai Purple Hand, draugi, un zaļo roku.Ības rokas. Jā, tagad šī puzli jādara. Šīs puzles ir grūti saprast, draugi. Vēl būs puzles. Nopietni. Katnaps. Nopietni var saprast, jo Popija teica, ka thinks he's God vai Oli, es neatceros. Bet domā, ka prototyps ir God. Katnaps tā domā. Labi, draugi, tagad darīsim Playhouse. Šoreiz ir 2 vietas, jo šis nav tik ļoti garš, un vienkārši šis gaida 10 minūtes, tad es izlēmu darīt šo. Man nepatīk šīs skaņas, vienkārši dēls man biedē. Tie mazie smiling creatures cenšas man nogalināt, tādēļ man visu laiku jāspīd gaisma, lai viņus nobiedētu. Ejiet prom, jūs kaitēkņi! Tīņas! Tu arī! Es gan es nomiru vispār. Šī atmosfēra tajā vietā bija ļoti forša. Vienkārši tas bija tik bailīgi dzirdēt tās skaņas, un kā viņi kustas vienkārši bailīgi izskatījās. Tā bija vislabākā līmenis un bailīgākais līmenis. Mobile TV, jūs labi pastrādājāt. Dogday, tas dzīvs. Tieši tā. Viņam nav kājas, un viņš ir cietumā, tas tik savādi. Laikam Katnaps viņam kaut ko izdarīja.
Pairs of eyes are on you now. Watching, waiting, hungry. They want nothing more than to crawl beneath your skin and eat away at you bit by little bit. Fill what feels empty inside themselves. That thing, Catnap. The prototype is his god, and this is what he does to heretics. These little toys follow Catnap to avoid that very fate. And in return, they are fed. We try to fight it. The prototype's control. I am the last of the smiling critters. Listen to me. You need to get out of this place. You need to live.
Labi.
You and Poppy could fix this.
Protams.
End this madness. The torments. Oh no. Oh no. Leave me.
Vajam ārā!
Čau!
Tad tas nozīmē, ka viņš ir pēdējais smiling creature un viņš tieši ir slepkavs tagad. Oh my god. Un viņš ir tieši milzīgi. Kāpēc cits, un vai cits smiling creature bija milzīgi, laikam? Jā. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tā Dogday. Nozīmē vienīgais, kas sliktais ir Katnaps. Cits smiling creature labie. Ir tieši vakars, laikam, draugi, es visu dienu Flaker biju. Un tagad Olija runās.
Hey, are you all right?
Viņa tieši teica, ka tas ir bīstama vieta, un es izdzīvoju.
I'm really glad you're okay. I don't want to lose any more friends to this place. Hey, did you see the shrine? Catnap made it for the prototype. See, before Catnap turned into Catnap, I guess there was some pretty serious
Labi, draugs, paliek uz krāmnieku. Nākamā video Bobby Playtime Chapter 3.